Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, HP LaserJet M404dn, and now I'm going to show you how to insert paper in this printer. So basically here you have two paper trays. The first one, this is the main one. Here we have paper cards indicator, and the second one. To open the first one, just drag the paper tray on you, and that's cool. We can eject this paper tray from our printer. And as you can see here, I'll show you. As you can see here, we have different available sizes for paper cards. As you can see, it's available B5, 11 inches, A4 and 13 inches cards. And for example, I want to load A4 paper cards. So here we have two switches. So as you can see, using this button we can change the width. Using this button we can change the length of our paper tray. And for example, if I want to load the A4 paper cards, I should use the widest size and a little longer than normal length size. Okay, and now I can load it into my printer in this way. And as you can see, when I use not original length, so length for A4 cards, here on the other side of the printer, the part of the paper tray is going away from the printer, as you can see. Okay, and here we have the second tray. The second tray is here, and you can open it. Here you have the opener for this part of printer. And as you can see here, we have this plastic object you should pull out to open it. And here we can use different sizes too. So for example, we can print on envelopes using this size. For example, we can use even on A5 paper cards. You just should change the width of the paper tray. That's cool. That's cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.